Want to see someone's hidden friends list on Facebook? In this video, I will guide you on how to do that. Now, the first step is to launch open the Facebook app on your device. Now, the thing you should know is Facebook no longer lets you view a private friends list. This setting is designed to protect user privacy, so there is no legitimate workaround to override it. What you can do is look at mutual friends. For that, you want to visit their profile. You can tap on this search bar. Now simply search for the friend. Now tap on the friend option. Select mutual tab. From here, you will be able to check out the mutual friends that you both know. You can also discover shared connection by checking groups or events you both belong to, or by browsing posts and photos where they have been tagged alongside others. You want to be beware of other third-party apps or browser extensions that promises to reveal hidden friends. These tools often violate Facebook's terms of service and can put your own account at risk. So in short, if someone has chosen to hide their friends list, the only reliable and ethical way to see connections is through the mutual friends and shared interactions Facebook already provides. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.